In the United States, over 9,000 people died from gun-related violence, compared to 150 in Canada and 170 in Germany. Every industrialized nation except the United States has reasonable gun control laws. For example, China's last attack on the public was on schoolchildren. However, the suspect had a knife and was unable to acquire a high-profile weapon. Now, this was due to China's strict policy laws on gun control. Now, if these laws were not enacted, then the effects would have been catastrophic. For example, in the Netherlands, owning a gun is considered a privilege and not a right, and in order to apply for a gun, you must have no mental illnesses or criminal associations whatsoever. Also, guns are only restricted to law enforcement, target shooters, and hunters. You're 20 times as likely to be involved in a gun-related incident in the United States when compared to the Netherlands. Japan only has as few gun-related homicides each year, and their gun policy laws are kind of similar to the Netherlands. But in order to obtain a gun, you must pass a written test as well as attend a shooting range class. You also must pass a rigorous background check just to make sure you don't have any criminal ties or affiliations with any terror groups. You're also sent to the hospital to be mentally evaluated and also to be drug tested as well. Now, the difference between these countries and the United States is that these countries keep their evaluations of gun owners consistent. Because you can have someone in the US purchase a gun right now and then become mentally ill 2 years down the road. We should look at the success of other countries and see the amount of crime that's reduced. I mean, the data is right there in the pudding. I believe there are common sense rules that should be applied to gun control. However, American laws are enshrined to ensure access to guns.